Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you guys another slide that we got. This is a obstacle course and it is dual lane. You can use this either wet or dry. You can see that right there. You can attach the water hose. It is brand new, so we still need to remove the plastic, but that green part is where the water is going to fall down onto the slides. Then we have this stopper for safety so that kids could not go flying out. I want to say that it is 47 feet long. Let me show you guys the inside of this. So we have palms, trunks on the inside. They work like obstacle poles. Like I said, it's dual lane so that obviously you can race. Kids could either like jump right here and play, or they can do it like the course and just follow along and race. You go under, you can see right here. Then you go through these poles, and it does have warnings. You have to slide feet first, not head. Obviously, it's too cold to have the water on right now over where I live. If it has water, you will crash over here, but it also depends like the weight. But this is like for all ages, even adults play on these. It is a very awesome obstacle course that we added to our little business this year. We added the one I posted yesterday, gaming, and this Congo. It has Velcro right here. You're able to attach like banners if you want to attach your business name and phone numbers. It's really nice. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more.